Hey guys, today we are looking at Google Form and Spreadsheet package, that is Google Spreadsheet package. For this we have to go to the Google. We can type Google Forms. We can search for Google Forms. It automatically redirect us to the Google Forms. You can see Google Forms over here. You can click it. Google Form will open. Inside this you have to go to the Google Forms. Google Forms. Now here you have several options like blank, contact information, RSVP, party invitation or t-shirt sign up. There are different options like your presentations and all this. You have templates. These are nothing but templates. So for the basic information, you need a blank. You need a blank form. Just click on the blank. When you open the blank, there is untitled form. Means you have to title it. Suppose I want to get the information regarding COVID awareness. COVID awareness program. This is COVID awareness program. COVID awareness program. Now for the description you can say for COVID-19 related informations. COVID related 19 informations. So this is are the title and the descriptions of your title. Now going to the parameters which you need in your form. You can give as what is the name comes as the short answers. You have several parameters over here. You can see short answers. If you want to give the name, first name, last name and all this thing. Your paragraphs, your multiple choice you have to give. If you have 4 options, 5 options, your checkbox if you want to give, you want to upload some file over there. You have multiple choice grid, you have date and time. There are several parameters are there. The what you call the Google form automatically takes it according to response, but if it doesn't take, you can select it from here. Now the first parameter is done. We can give the required condition as per our wish. Means this field needs to be fulfilled before submitting the form. You can duplicate it. You can duplicate and give the other informations like you want date of birth, DOP. It automatically changes to date option. So you can see it this. It is also required mandatory field. You can again duplicate it and you can ask some questions like have you traveled have you traveled to any state in last 2 months. You can ask these questions. It has multiple choice. You can give it as yes or no. It has multiple choice. You can give other options like yes, no and several other options. It is also required field. You can give the required field as per your wish. I'm giving it to every field. You can duplicate it, ask another questions. Ask another questions like are you suffering from fever? You can ask these questions in same form, yes or no. You can give another parameters as what is your mobile number? What is your mobile number? You can give it has not taken yes or no. So you have to give it short answers like now these informations are enough for us. Basic informations. You can preview the form over here. You can preview the form over here. This is your exact form which will appear to the user. You are here the user and admin both. So for the user, this is COVID-19 awareness form and name and all the parameters, DOP, have you traveled, are you suffering from fever, mobile number, and this all. Suppose I have to fill my details. Suppose my name is Shubham Kumar. My DOP, my date of birth is 12/05/19. It's 1998. Suppose it is like this, 12/05/1998. You can also give at have you traveled to any state in last 2 months? Have not. Are you suffering from fever? Not. You can give your mobile number as something like this, 9466542869, something like that. You can submit that form. The form has been submitted. Your response has been recorded. Now if you want to submit the another form, it is like this. Suppose you want to give your name like Ankush Singh, your date of birth as 01/01/1997. Have you traveled to any places? No. Are you suffering from fever? No. What is your mobile number? You can give anything as your mobile number, like this information. I can place. Submit it. You have two informations over here. You have submitted the two informations. You can see your untitled form where you have made it. The responses are two. See the responses over here. Shubham Kumar, Ankush Singh, their DOB, have you traveled, their history. You can see the pie chart also. Are you suffering from fever, their pie chart, and their responses of mobile number. It is over here. Now, this type of data is not in a arranged manner. So for that, we can use the MS Excel type of thing. Like we can use spreadsheet package. Google has also a spreadsheet package. This green one you are seeing, you have to create a spreadsheet package if you want to create it. Suppose I want to create a new spreadsheet package, that is COVID data 1 11. Suppose just create it. Linking to the spreadsheet package your data in the form. See, your data has appeared over here. They have also a special parameter that is known as timestamp. Timestamp. That is when your information was recorded. That time is over here. Means in a chronological way. It is been arranged. Your data is been arranged like this. Now going to the another thing, another interesting thing. If you want to spread this message, go to the send option. You can send to your friends, your colleagues through their mails, or even you can send them the link. This is the link. You can shorten this link also. You can copy this link and paste it in the new tab. This link has opened. Let me check how the other user can feed that information and that information directly comes to me. Suppose I'm feeding the name Chandresh. Chandresh is the name. Suppose Chandresh Singh is the name. Date of birth 12/02/1999. Have you traveled to any of the state? No. Are you suffering from fever? No. And mobile number, it is 78 something you give. Submit that form. Now you can see that data is appeared over here with the time stamp, that is 2:31:32 seconds. This is the mobile number and all the details of those guys which have filled this form. You can send it to your friends and anywhere, colleagues. You can use it everywhere. So this is a very important application of Google Form, through which we can create the uh, surveys. We can create the surveys. We can retrieve the data. We can do several things through this. It's very easy. It's free for the use, and of course, it is all provided by the Google. So use it. It's very good. Thank you for seeing the video. Over and out.